right, so I do get to take a social media video. We're servicing this unit. You can see our equipment and our chemical for a crazy, weird sewage gas odor. You can see just an absolutely beautiful, let me do this, clean. Nothing happened to the unit prior to him leaving for 2 days here in Boca. There's no explanation except that it has to be a sewer gas. There was no spillage, there was no air conditioning leak. The other bedrooms don't have any odor issues whatsoever. Just a beautiful, beautiful condo. Here's the master, and there's no odor in here. It's only in the other second master. So we'll take you in there. Here it is, and when you walk in, it just hits you. It's emanating from the bathroom. There's no doubt about it. Well, we looked in a UV black with our UV black light in this rug, and it has mildew all through it. There's actually mildew growing on the AC coils. But so what we're going to do is we're going to treat the shower drain big time, the toilet, and then the walls and the ceiling in here, as well as the tile floor, and kill any of the bacteria that is causing this odor issue. And then we're going to close it, let it dry, and see if we do need to indeed service this room as well, because it's been exposed. Again, here's a nice view for you. But that's really basically it. It's a simple service, hard to discover what it exactly is, because nothing happened out of the ordinary. There I am right there. Hi, everyone. So we're going to take care of it. And again, another luxury property. And we look forward to earning your business as well. Tobacco, pet odors, mildew, musty odors, food smells, whatever it might be. Give us a call. We look forward to earning your business. Thanks for viewing.